Hello everyone, welcome to DBS Global University. My name is Dr. Neha Choksi. I am the patron of the Marketing Club and an assistant professor in the Marketing Department. So, all about this event, it is one of the flagship events of DGU. The reason why I'm calling it as flagship because it held every year with a lot of excitement. This is a marketing club event, and in this event, we generally bring all the departments together across DGU, like Department of Management, MBA, BBA, Masscom, Agri, Forestry, Department of Technology. So all these departments come together. They have a kind of a competition amongst themselves where they have been told to create their own brands, come up with their products, right from idea generation, which is the first stage of new product development, till commercialization. So in this, they they learn about positioning, branding, marketing strategies, sponsorship, so advertising, public relations, so whatever you can think of in marketing as an entrepreneur also. So the basic objective of this event is to make them realize that it is not only the jobs which they might be looking forward for, they can also become entrepreneurs, and later on they can start up their own ventures. And probably our best wishes to everyone that they excel in their lives, being big entrepreneurs, good professionals. So that's altogether the objective. And this is a 1 month long activity in which they have a series of different competitions, right from jingle making to mascot designing to, if you can see the mascot of Team Agri, so there is an elephant which has been represented as the mascot of agriculture department. Then we have mime competition. Then we had recently we had a dance battle. Today we are having trade fair. So more importantly, trade fair is all about getting sponsorship, pitching different brands, how to collaborate with them, how to generate revenues, profit sharing. So all this is something which we make our students aware of, and practically they learn because DBS Global University, it has the platform of experiential learning, and that is the that is the concept which we inculcate in our day-to-day activities at DG. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rashmi Negi, Assistant Professor of School of Modern Media and also the Social Media Manager at DBS Global University. So here we are doing the branded activities, and as you can see behind me, the Trade Bazaar. This is the one of the event of the branded. So let me tell you that in DBS Global University we believe in experiential learning, and what can be the better example of branded. So here we are teaching our students that how they can come up with a brand, they can give the name, identity to their brand, they can do the marketing for the brand, they can select the product, and they can, they do each and everything which actual brand are doing in the market. So this is the platform where they are learning the real experiences. So I'm hoping that all the team will do their best, and thank you so much.
A very good afternoon, everyone. So I'm the representative of Team Vocatia, Shivang Kaushal. So I'm here to tell you about my brand first of all. So our brand is the only brand in our college, which is dealing with diversification. So we, as our name says, Vocatia, Vogue, which means something that is together in a bowl. So similarly, we have put in the 7 different countries USPs in a bowl at gazebo number 1. We are selling saris from India, handicraft basically. We are selling Saudis, Itr, Indonesian garments and accessories. Other than that, etc. Many other products which you can see it on our site as well as we have displayed it here also.
We are from Team Become Honors. We have our brand called Kriyaveda. Kriyaveda means a combination of two different words, which means sustainable living. We are offering handmade and handcrafted products from our students made of completely white clay, which is sustainable and eco-friendly. For today's event called Trade Bazaar at DGU, we are offering a collaboration with Belgian Waffles. We have brought Belgian Waffles to our campus. We have collaborated with them, and they trusted us on our process for promoting sustainable living and eco-friendly products. You can see our products over here, which is completely made by our students, and none of the products we offer are outsourced from outside. So we have put in all our hard work and efforts in making those products.
Hi everyone, this is me Srishti from Team Traksha at the DBS Global University. We are here participating in the Trade Bazaar under Brand Day 2025. The team Traksha is a brand which sells handmade products. We specialize in crocheted goods, crocheted flowers, customized dupattas, paintings, and many more. Yes, we are very excited for the Manfest 2025.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I, Sarthak Agrawal, on behalf of MBA Integrated Department, presents to you Team Gravix. Gravix is a fusion of art, culture, and technology under one roof. In Gravix, we have partnered or we have gave a platform to small startups of MBA integrated students only. The 4 startups that we have brought this year are, the first is Stitchlux. It's a customized hoodie, t-shirt, shirt brand, and it's also an MSME registered company. Second is Sri Shilp. Sri Shilp is a Banarsi sari, authentic Banarsi sarees and ethnic wear businesses. Third is the Treji. Treji is a jewelry brand. And the last is Pampered Hands. Pampered Hands, you can get your nails done at Pampered Hands also. For the Trade Bazaar event, we have collaborated with Keventers, the milkshake company, Poco Pan Pizza, where we have Kulhar pizzas, and our homemade vada paos that we, the students of MM, only have made.
Myself Karthikeya Gupta, and I'm from Masscom department. We have established our brand Team Steeply, and I'm the brand manager of this brand. And as of now, today's competition is Trade Bazaar, so we have to bring brands from the city to our college. And हमने अपने साथ कोलैब किया है यानीज दी आइसक्रीम ब्रांड एंड दी होटल गोल्डन लीफ, और टिल नाउ रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. लोग आ रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं हमारे साथ. हम लोग के पास फुल मील्स के ऑफर्स हैं, और साथ ही साथ हमारा जो स्टीपली का ब्रांड है उसके फ्री ऑफर्स भी हम चला रहे हैं. सो या टिल नाउ इट्स गोइंग गुड. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. Yeah, actually we are excited for this competition because ये first time हो रहा है कि इस branded के अंदर ट्रेड बाजार का competition introduce किया गया है. So yeah, it's something new for us, but हाँ हम लोग excited हैं and we are doing all we can do. So,
hi, I am Suvansh Madan from Qubit, and we are here today at Trade Bazaar, and we're selling BYOB, which is bring your own bag. So you could bring your own bag, and we could customize it with our condiments, our sauces, and our various flavors that you want. We also have slushies for you. They come in different flavors like mint, limonata, buras, pineapple, and many more. Please come do visit us. Thank you.